I start anything. Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.
Can you please repeat with me? Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.
Bharat Mata ki.
Jai.
Bharat Mata ki.
Jai.
So today is a beautiful day for all of us. We are celebrating Mother's Day. Janani Janmabhumischa Swargadapi Gadyashi. Janani means mother. Janmabhumi means our motherland. And it is said that they are greater than even heaven. What more we are? We are celebrating ourselves. The culture, the heritage that are rooted to us, we are celebrating ourselves. No matter, however, wherever the branches go, if the roots are stronger, the branches flourish and we can see beautiful blossoms everywhere. The reason I decided to do this presentation about Konark Sun Temple and its connection with Odissi dance, because I felt I'm from Odisha. Odisha is a state in eastern coast of India where we have Puri Jagannath Dham, which is famous for. The other thing that is famous is Odissi classical dance, which is one of the oldest formats of classical dance. Initially was originated from temples and mainly a devotional format offered to Lord Jagannath. So where is Konark Temple coming? Konark Temple is one of the UNESCO heritage sites where in 13th century a king called Narasimha, he built a sun temple thinking that sun travels from east to west. Suraj हमारे पूरब में rises. Sun rises in east and sets in west. So we are from east, जहाँ सूरज उगता है, उसी सूरज के लिए ये मंदिर बनाया गया था. The temple has been built with a belief that the son of Lord Krishna was suffering a disease and he was asked to pray sun god to get cured. And Krishna's, based on that mythological story, the king built a sun temple thinking that sun sitting on his chariot travels 24 hours from one hour to another, one end to another. So that temple, you can see the representation of a cosmic calendar. There are 7 horses, 24 circles, which I'm going to demonstrate a bit more, and the dancers that are carved with Odissi dance, they represent the 7 musical notes. Number 7 is auspicious in there because we have 7 days a week, 7 colors in our rainbow, and 7 musical notes in Odissi dance. Now that chakra, if we compare with the Ashoka chakra of our Tiranga, which was mainly thought by King Ashoka, who was proposing peace after the Kalinga war. Kalinga is the old name of Odisha. That's how I correlate those 2 incidents. So our Tiranga has chakra, Ashoka chakra, which has got 24 spokes, and that describes 24 virtues of life that we need to practice in 24-hour day. It could be hope, it could be friendship, it could be empathy, it could be compassion, it could be righteousness. So our heritage is connected to noble meaning, and therefore I thought it's not just following some steps and doing a performance. It's just follow the principle that our heritage has given us so that we can pass it to our next generation. So that not only they perform, they present themselves with a pride that they are real torchbearer of our heritage. A big round of applause to all our little Odissi dancers who are born here but managed to get that art form and brought it here. So therefore, कहते हैं कि कर्म भूमि जहाँ भी हो, wherever you work does not matter. जन्मभूमि से तुम हमेशा जुड़े हुए रहते हो. You are always connected to your motherland, your mother, and today is the biggest day for all of us. We are mothers. We are connected to our roots, and we are displaying our qualities. I am not a dancer. I am a surgeon by profession, but I am very much fond of my own root, my belief system, and all of you. So, congratulations to all these ladies, beautiful ladies and children. And I would like to finish with a little few lines, especially for Mother's Day. दुखने लागी माँ तेरी अखियाँ, मेरे लिए जागी है तू सारी सारी रतियाँ, मेरी निंदिया में अपनी निंदिया भी तूने बारी है माँ, ओ माँ, माँ, माँ. That's all for today. Thank you so much. That's my Konark temple. Can you see the chakras and the dancers? You can see that I am wearing not only a feeling, a heritage that I am immensely proud of. Thank you so much for your attention. Jai Jagannath.